Framer or Webflow? If you're a web designer in 2026 and you haven't had this debate with yourself at least once, you're probably leaving money on the table. I've built real client sites in both, charged real money for both. And I'm going to tell you exactly which tool belongs in your stack, which one is overhyped, and which one will actually make your clients happier. No sponsorship, no fluff, let's go. Here's why I'm making this video. Most comparison videos just list features. Framer has this, Webflow has that. Great, not helpful. What actually matters as a freelance web designer is which tool lets me deliver better work faster to clients who will pay me more and refer me to others. That's the lens I'm using today. Not which tool has more features, which tool makes your business more profitable. And the answer might surprise you, because it depends entirely on the type of work you're doing. Quick context before we compare. Webflow has been around since 2013. It's a visual web builder with full CMS capabilities, e-commerce, logic, and hosting. It gives you near complete control over your HTML and CSS without writing code. It's the industry standard for serious no-code web design. Framer started as a prototyping tool and pivoted hard into website building around 2022. It's faster to get started with, has AI features built in, and has been growing at an insane rate, especially with designers coming from Figma. Both are legitimate professional tools, but they are not the same tool with a different interface. They are fundamentally different products built for different workflows. Let me show you exactly where that matters. 6 categories, honest winner for each one. Round 1, speed of building, Framer wins. And it's not close. If your client needs a clean marketing site, landing page, or portfolio, Framer is dramatically faster to build in. The component system and AI tools are built for speed. I built a 5-page client site in Framer in about 6 hours. A comparable site in Webflow took closer to 12. For freelancers, speed directly equals profit margin. Round 2, design control and flexibility. Webflow wins, and this is where it matters for complex builds. Webflow gives you granular control over every CSS property and interaction. If your client needs something custom or technically complex, Webflow can do it. Framer is opinionated in how it handles layouts. That's great for speed, but limiting for complex designs. For high-end bespoke work, Webflow is the tool. Round 3, CMS and content management. Webflow wins significantly. Webflow CMS is mature, flexible, and powerful. It handles complex content architecture properly. Framer's CMS exists, but it's basic. If your client needs a blog or resource library, Framer will frustrate you within 3 months. This is probably the single biggest deciding factor for most projects. Round 4, hosting and performance. Framer wins on performance out of the box. Framer sites are fast. Edge hosting and excellent core web vitals by default. You don't have to think about it. Webflow requires more manual optimization. For SEO-focused client projects, Framer gives you a massive head start. It's optimized images and code without user intervention. Round 5, pricing for client work. This is where it gets interesting. Webflow's site plans start at $14 per month. Framer starts at $10. Neither will break a client's budget, but Framer's simpler interface makes handoff smoother. A simpler interface reduces your support burden after launch. It's easier to hand off to clients who want to edit their own content.
Round 6, learning curve. Framer wins for beginners. Webflow wins long term.
If you're new, start with Framer. You'll ship faster and build confidence. If you want the most powerful tool available, Webflow has a higher ceiling. The honest answer? Learn both. Use Framer for fast turnaround marketing sites. Use Webflow for complex, CMS-heavy, long-term client relationships. That's actually what I do, and it's the answer most comparison videos won't give you, because it doesn't make for a clean, clickbait conclusion. So which one should you use? Use Framer if you do marketing sites, need speed, or want easy client editing. Use Webflow if you build complex, content-heavy sites with serious CMS architecture or custom animations. Use both if you run an agency. The designers charging the most aren't loyal to one tool, they're loyal to results. Pick the right tool for the project. Links to both tools are in the description below. I've included the free trial links so you can test both yourself without spending anything. Subscribe if you want honest, no BS reviews of tools that matter for your business. See you in the next one.